let us start our inauguration ceremony. For that, I would like to invite our chief guest, Dr. Rakesh Joshi, on stage. I request Dr. Dhiran and Dr. Pragnesh to escort him. Requesting Dr. Nimit Bhai Oza to come on stage. Dr. Abhay Dikshit, our GSFPF President, Dr. Dhiren Sanandia and Dr. Pragnesh Vachrajani. ફર્સ્ટ ઓફ ઓલ પેલું પાછળ બારણું બંધ કરી દેશો ભાઈ, છેલ્લે બારણું બંધ કરી દો ને. ફર્સ્ટ ઓફ ઓલ, let us start with lamp lighting. I request our chief guest Dr. Rakesh Joshi, Dr. Nimit Oza, President Dr. Abhay Dikshit, President Dr. Dhiren Sanandia and Secretary Dr. Pragnesh Vachrajani.
तुंग महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा. प्रथमेश्वरा गणधीश्वरा चिन्तामणि परमेश्वरा. वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा. प्रथमेश्वरा गणधीश्वरा चिन्तामणि परमेश्वरा. गणनाथ सुरमणि गणपति गणनाथ सुरमणि गणपति.
Thank you very much, sir. First of all, let us felicitate our chief guest. I request our GSFPF President Dr. Abhay Dikshit to felicitate our chief guest Dr. Rakesh Bhai Joshi. एक लाओ. Request our AFPA President Dr. Dhiren Sanandia to felicitate our chief guest with memento. Thank you very much, sir. First of all, I mean, requesting Dr. Dhiren Sanandia for his welcome speech.
Good morning, everyone. Respected Chief Guest Dr. Rakesh Joshi, National President of FFPI Dr. Abhay Bhai Dikshit, Honorary Secretary Dr. Pragnesh Shah, Guest Nimit Oza, Dr. Nimit Oza, respected speakers, past president, seniors, and my dear friends and family members. I welcome you all to the 14th GSFPF and 20th AFPA GUJCON 2022 conference year. I heartily welcome our chief guest, Dr. Rakesh Joshi, a superintendent of the most renowned institute, Civil Hospital, Ahmedabad. We are grateful to him for accepting our invitation and becoming a chief guest for today's conference. He is known for his wonderful administration and high achievement in pediatric surgeries. In this conference, we will have session, debate, and discussion on various medical topics. The speakers in this conference uniquely placed to debate, discuss, and highlight the key point of different medical topics. All credit goes to my committee in stepping up with their wise advice and brilliant suggestion in organizing this conference. They have all worked extremely hard on the details of important aspect of conference. Once again, I welcome you all. I sincerely hope you will enjoy the conference. Thank you. Jai Hind. Jai AP.
Thank you, Dr. Dhiren. Now it is a time for blessing speech from our GSFPF President, Dr. Abhay Dikshit.
All the dignitaries on the dais, and my very good young old friends. It is my proud and privilege to welcome you all, and especially the chief guest, Dr. Rakesh Bhai Joshi, on this dais, and Dr. Nimit Bhai Oza also. In the beginning, I have already told you that we are meeting after 1 year after this pandemic of corona. And you all have responded very well to us in a large number. So again, we wish the same response from you in future our conferences and future programs also. Without wasting much of time, I again welcome you all and welcome all the guests, and wish you all the grand success to this conference, and I hope that you will enjoy today's conference. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir. Now I request our chief guest, Dr. Rakesh Joshi, to say something, sir. Apu, there, sir. I'm sorry. I'm extremely sorry. Let me introduce first. Dr. Rakesh Joshi is I'm really sorry, sir. Dr. Rakesh Joshi is a medical superintendent civil hospital. આપણે બધાને ખબર જ છે, પણ છતાંય he is a professor and head of pediatric surgery department at BJ Medical College and Civil Hospital. He has done his MCH, DNB and MNMS in pediatric surgery. He is a fellow of Society of Pediatric Urologists. He was a part of core team of 1200 bed COVID hospital. Worked as an administrative in charge of Manjusri 500 bed COVID hospital. He served as a EC member of IAPS. He was a president of PSMC Alumni Association for more than 10 years. He is a gold medalist from SP University in MBBS. First rank from Gujarat University in MCH. સાહેબનો બાયોડેટા એટલો બધો લાંબો છે. Lots of awards, lots of research papers, lots of publications. એ બધાને વાંચવા બેસીશું અથવા તો તમને કહેવા બેસીશ. એમના સ્પેશિયલ અચીવમેન્ટ્સ પણ એટલા બધા છે, એમની સક્સેસ સ્ટોરીઝ પણ કંઈ વાત કરવા જેવી જ નથી, એટલી બધી લાંબી છે કે આખું એક લેક્ચર થઈ જશે. ટૂંકમાં આપણા બધાનું ગૌરવ, આપણા સૌ માટે પ્રેરણા અને આપણા સૌના મિત્ર. એમના એચિવમેન્ટ્સ મેં વાંચ્યા છે, પણ એ એચિવમેન્ટ્સને જોઈને એક સ્ટેન્ડિંગ ઓવેશન તો એમના માટે બને છે. પ્લીઝ. સ્ટેન્ડિંગ ઓવેશનમાં હું માનું છું ત્યાં સુધી આ બધું આવી ગયું એમના એચિવમેન્ટ્સ માટે. રાખને પણ ઈશ્વર જેવા રાખે એવા ડૉક્ટર રાકેશ જોશીને હું આમંત્રું છું. થેન્ક યુ સર.
Thank you, sir, for such a nice words. Good afternoon, everyone. I can see so many seniors out there, so many my colleagues and their juniors with families. Dignitaries on the dais. Dikshit Sahib, Dhirendra, he's my batchmate actually, from 89 batch, Karam sir. Vacharajani Sahib, the secretary of AFPA. Nimit Oza Sahib. Actually, I met a wonderful urologist. He's a urologist, but apart from his medical, work, whatever he's doing so many other things. Thanks for giving a chance to sit with him for at least half an hour. So we know each other very well. So thanks for that. Thank you very much for this wonderful invitation to be a part of inaugural function of 28th conference of Ahmedabad Family Physician Association. I feel honored. I feel satisfied, in fact, that whatever we are doing, somebody is observing, and the way sir announced whatever I have done, but it is actually a part of my duty. Being a doctor, being a healthcare worker, we all are a different, made up by a different genetics. We have all seen everything during COVID work. The only doctors, like they were working selflessly, without any fear, without even thinking about their own family. Everyone has worked to fight against this corona pandemic, and absolutely we were not aware what is it, how it happens, what will be the situation during the first peak. So it has made us to learn a lot of things in our life, that what is important for each and everyone. Whatever we are doing it for our patients, and the patient care is our first and foremost goal. In my mind, what is family physician? I think I have grown up from a very small village to the town, and then Ahmedabad. A lot of journey from village to medical college. For me and my family, the family physicians, they are the primary pillars of the healthcare system. The first person of a medical fraternity who comes in a contact with any family is a family physician. કદાચ ગામડામાં તો ત્યાં સુધી હશે. It is even beyond that. Whenever his son or daughter get good marks in 12th, they will come to their family physician and try to get advice. સર હવે શું કરશું? તમે ગાઈડ કરો એને મેડિકલમાં જવા દઉં કે એન્જિનિયરિંગમાં મૂકવું કે what you suggest? So that is the word, it comes as a family physician. They are not only treating patient. They are a part of family, and for everything you must have experienced by yourself. કે લોકો ઉપવાસ રાખવો હશે તો બી કદાચ તમને પૂછતા હશે ઓડ ટાઈમે કે સાહેબ આટલી બધી દવાઓ ચાલે છે, મારાથી ઉપવાસ કરાશે, and you have to answer. So that is the bonding a family physician is having with their patients and that family. So I really feel good that such a conferences are organized to update the knowledge, because we all are, everybody's nowadays technocrats. We are using mobiles. એક notification આવે કે update આવ્યું છે, and within an hour we update that mobile, that iOS or whatever Android, but we update that software immediately. That same logic applies to our knowledge, that we have to update ourselves. COVID has taught us so many things. Like last year you might have an online conference. We are lucky that this time we are having an offline conference. We can meet our friends, our seniors. We learn from each other. It's a bi-dialogue, system. So whenever there is a conference, I was just going through all the topics. You have covered it during this one day and maybe yesterday also, that all the common topics which you are facing day to day, every day. Majority like skin disease and gastrology, kidney related to the creatinine, related to the thyroid function, related to oral cancers, eye care, so many things. I mean, I was just going through that. You have covered each and every topic to update. I wish the organizer that whatever they are trying to bring, whatever they are trying to update the knowledge of their colleagues, I think this is the best way to do it. You have called so many faculties from, super specialty or a specialty. But other than that, you have invited your own fraternity to teach yourself, because we have seniors like this. They have plenty of years experience. Many a times they know better than anybody else in the world, because they are dealing this type of issues since years together now. So their experience, I think that is more than a teaching in an institute for 3 years only, or being in a practice for 3 years or 5 years. Books, medical college, everybody teaches the way what we have to do for a particular condition. But the only practitioner who is practicing days in, days out since years together can say exactly what is the things to be done in a right way. Patient will come to you only after surgery or after this or that. એ તમને જ પૂછશે કે સાહેબ હવે હું ખેતરે ક્યારે જઈશ? It is never written in any books that after surgery this thing has to be done after this. But over a period of years of experience, by your own judgment and the follow-ups of all this, we come to a conclusion that these are the ways to go ahead. So again, I wish all of you all the best. That I wish that over a period of this, by the end of conference, you will update yourself. Please involve yourself in a bi-dialogue conference, like you ask your questions to your speakers, and don't go back with any questions unanswered. I wish organizers very all the best and congratulations for conducting this offline workshop at least after 2 years in a difficult time. Still we are not out of corona. Every day we are listening now. XE is, it's there around, but no matter. We are all well prepared now. We know how it is been taken care, and that's what we have seen during our third peak. It was just there and it is not here right now. And that is the window we have utilized. I mean, you guys have utilized to conduct this offline workshop. And I wish all the very best and congratulations to the organizers. Thank you, sir.
સર એક જ વાત કહેવાનું મન થાય, બ્રાહ્મણ તરીકે એક બ્રાહ્મણનું ખરેખર એક બહુ મોટી વાત કહેવાનું મન થાય કે સાહેબ સિવિલ હોસ્પિટલમાં તો આપણે બધા ઘણા બધા ભણીને મોટા થયા. સિવિલ હોસ્પિટલના લીધે જ આપણે બધા પ્રિસ્ક્રિપ્શનમાં RX લખતા શીખ્યા કે પેશન્ટ પહેલી વાર સ્ટેથોસ્કોપ પકડ્યું. સિવિલ હોસ્પિટલ આપણને બધાને ખબર છે કે એશિયાની સૌથી મોટી હોસ્પિટલ આપણે ગણી શકીએ અને ઘણા બધા ગરીબ પેશન્ટો, ગરીબ હોય કે તવંગર હોય, એ બધાને માટે ખરેખર સેવારૂપી હોસ્પિટલ છે. અને પર્ટિક્યુલરલી બ્રાહ્મણમાં એક વસ્તુ 100% હોય, પ્રામાણિકતા તો નસમાં ભરેલી હોય, બ્લડમાં જ હોય, વફાદારી હોય, એન્થ્યુઝિયાઝમ હોય અને સ્પિરિચ્યુઆલિટી હોય. અને એ બધું રાકેશભાઈમાં છે. સિવિલ હોસ્પિટલ 100% એક મંદિર છે અને સિવિલ હોસ્પિટલનું સુકાન એક સારા પૂજારીના હાથમાં છે. થેન્ક યુ વેરી મચ સર, થેન્ક યુ વેરી મચ. એટ લાસ્ટ request Dr. Pragnesh Vajrajani, GSFPF and AFPA Secretary for vote of thanks.
Before we conclude, આપણે આજે અમદાવાદ ફેમિલી ફિઝિશિયનની નવી વેબસાઇટ, ડાયનેમિક વેબસાઇટ અને નવો સોફ્ટવેર લોન્ચ કરી રહ્યા છે. વી રિક્વેસ્ટ ધીરેન, કમલેશ, આવો પ્લીઝ. આ દેખાશે સામે? ઉભા રહે, બરાબર? આવી જાઓ ભાઈ, એ તને કહેશે, આવી જાઓ. અને ડૉક્ટર કમલેશ નાયક ઇઝ અવર પ્રેસિડેન્ટ ઇલેક્ટ અને 17મી તારીખે આપણે એમનું ઇન્સ્ટોલેશન કરીશું. જો કે સરખું ના કરો ત્યાં સુધી રિપીટ કરી રાખે એમ. ચલો ધીરેન, આઈ વિલ રિક્વેસ્ટ ડૉક્ટર ધીરેન એન્ડ ડૉક્ટર કમલેશ ટુગેધર to launch the website. This is all dynamic features અને within 2 days મેમ્બર્સ જાતે મેમ્બર્સ એરિયામાં જઈને લોગિન કરીને પોતાનો ડેટા જાતે અપડેટ કરી શકશે. અને બધી જ આપણા સાયન્ટિફિક ઇવેન્ટ્સ, બધી કોન્ફરન્સ, બધી ઇવેન્ટ્સના રજિસ્ટ્રેશન અને વન સ્ટોપ સોલ્યુશન આપણી વેબસાઇટ ઉપરથી જ થશે. આપણા યુટ્યુબ ચેનલ, આપણું ફેસબુક પેજ, બધું જ તમે એક્સેસ અહીંથી કરી શકશો. So this is a brand new website and with all functionals. So I request all the members કે 2 દિવસ પછી we'll share you a link across. You can go through and done it. Thank you, Dhiren Kamlesh. So at the outset, I would like to thank Dr. Rakesh Joshi, our chief guest, Dr. Nimit Oza, Dr. Abhay Bhai જે આપણામાંના છે, to all the delegates to participate in large numbers. And જેમ Dr. Dixit સાહેબે કીધું એમ, on 8th and 9th of January 2023, we are hosting the National Conference of Family Physicians of India, and shortly we'll be opening the registration and we'll be sharing more details. So I will request all the delegates to register at the earliest in larger numbers. And last but not the least, I would like to thank Team Sabarmati, Dhiren, Kamlesh and Mehul for painstaking efforts in organizing this conference and specially managing this venue. And Dr. Dhiren Mehta for the scientific chairman, Dhiren Bhai, for executing and planning the scientific program. So a round of applause for all of them. Thank you. We'll continue with the session. Thank you, sir.